Tell them cut the plastic, cut it before things get drastic. Educate Jamaica, that a feel with tactic. Yes, the reusable, no to single use.
Hi, my name is Aalyah Campbell, the owner of TheEcoStoreJA Jamaica, also known as the Eco Brand Jamaica. Today I'm here to talk to you about some products that can help you live a plastic-free summer. So first we're going to start off with self-care. Really simple, really easy. We're going to start off with bamboo toothbrushes. So these are a really easy swap for your everyday plastic toothbrushes, but they don't cause all of that extra waste. So every single toothbrush that me, you, your grandmother, great-grandmother, great-great-great-grandmother have ever used is still in existence in a landfill somewhere. But with the bamboo toothbrushes, these you can bury them in your garden and you can just compost them and boom, they're gone over, a couple years. Next, we have these tongue scrapers. Now, these are one of my favorite products because they're brand new on the market and they're produced by the Eco brand. So these are stainless steel and you use them instead of, the back of the toothbrush, or they have those grooves instead of that, or they have ones like these that are plastic, and this is a great alternative and it keeps your breath very, very fresh, no more morning breath in the morning. We have these that are bamboo cotton buds, so instead of the plastic Q-tips, these are made of bamboo, and just a really simple, easy way to reduce your plastic and have a plastic-free summer. Now let's get into menstrual products. I know it can be touchy and periods can be a touchy subject, but these are what are known as menstrual cups. These are made of medical grade silicone and you'd use them in place of a tampon, and it just makes your period so much more easy and healthy, plus reduces so much waste. And you don't have to think about all those toxic chemicals in your body. And these are just the sterilizing containers that come and you can store your products in there. Next, let's move on to just everyday products. So these are actually ones that I really love. Not everyday products for everybody, but for us Caribbean people, probably everyday. These are coconut openers. So you just use these to open your coconut so coconut fall off of your tree. You don't have to, you can mash it and yeah, the coconut opener, and that way you can not buy coconut water. Not for anybody else's business, but you can have it. These are metal straws. You put them onto your little keychain and you walk with them around the place. It comes with a straw, and that way, I know some places still do plastic straws, not supposed to, and I know a lot of people don't like the paper straws, so these are a great alternative that help you reduce your waste overall, because now you actually have something that you can use and just wash and reuse. These are silicone storage containers. So you have a little sandwich, little snacks that you bring to work or bring to school. You put them in your lunch kits, and you just have a little snacks, and you don't need to put anything in the saran wrap or anything like that, or buy snacks on the road if you don't want to help you save a little money and again live a plastic-free summer. These are baking mats for people that love to cook, love to bake. You just lay these on your baking tray and you bake your products, reuse them 100 million times. So I've had mine for about 3 or 4 years now and I use them constantly. These are reusable baking mats. You just lay them on your baking tray and you use it instead of probably parchment paper or aluminum foil, and this saves you from running out of your products and just creating more waste by buying things that you don't need. Reuse it 100 million times and it's still fantastic. So for all of the people that love to bake, love the kitchen, that's the perfect product for you. And then lastly, something simple. So when you're going to your parties, you're going on the road, whatever, I mean, it's reusable party cups. So you just put your drinks, your ice, etc. in them. If I stop, I bring it with you, and this is a safe way for you to party responsibly as well, because they're tamper free. So yeah, those are so many products that we have that can help you live a plastic-free summer. So do something drastic and cut the plastic. Live a plastic-free summer this 2023. And don't forget to follow the TheEcoStoreJA on Instagram and all other social media platforms.
Tell them cut the plastic, cut it before things get drastic. Educate Jamaica, that a feel with tactic. Yes, the reusable, no to single use. The youths them a practice. So dash with that.